My name is Luan Cavan. You can call me Teacher Ann. I have my bachelor's degree in teaching English and also got my TEFL certification. Right now, I am taking my master's degree in English too. I have been in the ESL industry for 9 years already, having this journey with my Asians and European students. Currently, I am a teacher in elementary and junior high school, handling reading, language, speaking, and literature subjects. I am a fun loving teacher, passionate, and very approachable. We can talk anything you want, and we will make your teaching environment enjoyable. Learn with me and be part of my journey. Thank you. So right now, I'm going to answer some of the questions. I have been teaching for 9 years already, online and offline. And I am teaching English subjects, English medium of instructions for reading, language, literature, and speaking subjects. I have been teaching like kids, junior high school, and elementary department. I can offer like 20 to 25 hours per week in weekends and weekdays evening. Right now, I am using my laptop because I can bring it anywhere. Just in case, I know that there are some time or some cases that we have power outage. I already had my backup with that. I have my UPS in house. And whenever I will go in school, we also have UPS that can carry like 6 to 7 hours. Example, we have power outage. I would love to. I know that some company would really like or would really have their own apps in teaching or app or platform in teaching English. I would really love to train. Although I've been in the industry for quite some times, like 9 years, but of course I am willing to learn for my real teaching journey. I know this will really help me a lot. Related with messages that the company will be sending to me with the dental, of course, I will really try my best to check messages as much as possible because, of course, that could help me. Okay, whenever there will be updates or there will be important informations that they will going to send to me. Okay, I need to check that as often as I can, of course, every day. And then, of course, as they were going to send me a message, it's very important also that I need to reply so they will be able to know what are the things that I need to inform or that I need to change for my class schedules, importantly. And then, of course, I know that teaching, I've been in the industry again, so I know that teaching children and then online teaching is common. So I need to have the white background like I'm using at the back here. And then dress code, I need to wear something that is quite formal for a professional teacher like me. Just in case we don't know that there are emergency coming up in the future, and then it's 1 hour prior to my class, and then somebody happened or something happened. Of course, I guess the proper thing is I need to reach out my superior, and then probably I will going to tell to my students whatever things that we will going to do, like could you have a makeup class or could you change the time or if possible, I will let him or her choose. And then I will also ask permission from my superior what are the things that I'm going to do. So what are the process that I need to do in case emergency will happen anytime possible. Thank you so much, Mom, for those are all the question answers for the questions. Thank you so much for today. God bless everyone. Bye and see you soon.